Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache Netbeans 29 on Windows 10 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Netbeans, then go on this netbeansapache.org site. Then you can get this latest release Apache Netbeans 29. Click on this download button. Then you can get this here binary platform independent and this. So they're going to download their zip file. Now here you can see NetBeans 29 bin zip file is currently downloading. Total size is 492 MB. NetBeans 29 that's downloaded. Let's click on this so in folder. They after here extracting this file, click on this extract all. Now click on this extract. So this here or 0% complete and this here currently extracting. File that extracted. Let's close this one here. NetBeans 29 bin. Click this here. You can see or this all files are there. They after moving on this bin. Or then you can see here bin or this and 64. So opening there bin 64. Now more info run. So this here NetBeans 29 this is opening. And now if I go into this command prompt and if I write there java minus minus version, then you can see in my system java is already download as well as install. And if I write there java this all that's come there java say this also working, that means the path is also set it here. Now you can see NetBeans Apache NetBeans 29 is currently opening there and starting this. Now this done here. They after here you need to click new project. So Java Maven Java application, or you can if you want then you can select there Gradle. So Maven that's selecting this here. And now click on this next and this here activating Java SE. So Java SE is now activating. And here let's give the project name project Z and click on this finish. So this here creating the directory and building dictionary, this all process is going on. This is the default code is there. So now currently removing this unnecessary part and this also removing there. And with the help of this code we can print the hello world. So here let's click this here. You can see this all file and project Z is there. Now right click this and click on this run file. So when you click run files here, automatically Java home that's detected there and it's find there JDK 25. So JDK 25 is there. So first time that's I'm using so that it's taking time. Hello world that's the display. Now let's test other code. So copying this and here going to paste. So you need to include their project Z. Project Z. Now this all done. Save this and now this, so click on this run. So currently running. Here enter first number 8, 7, then 15, that's display. So this is how we can install this Apache Netbeans 29 on Windows 10 and run Java codes. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.